You open it slow. You already know. Corroded pins, moisture creeping where it shouldn't be. Every wire a mystery. You look for clean, you look for neat, but horror lies beneath your feet. Junction Box of Horrors. Nothing here is what it seems. Junction Box of Horrors. Built from all your worst routines. Green on copper, rust on truth. Spider webs protect the proof. Twisted lies, no logic left. Someone wired this as a test. You trace it back, you lose the line. Nothing here was ever found. Junction Box of Horrors. Nothing here is what it seems. Junction Box of Horrors. Every fault rewrites your dreams. Cut the power. Press again, wrong menu. Scrolling through endless screens, lost inside machine routines. Error, 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 error. No manual, just survive. Junction Box of Horrors. Now you see the truth inside. Junction Box of Horrors. Where all logic goes to die. Close it up and walk away. And walk away.